signals fractured, transmission near after current should draw it. Bounding is the last sector stable pathways. Special transmission middle way. Mr. Liz beneath enforced and upon this problem dispersed to gap trans. Systems operate under tenuous to rub the transmission.
Passion flight system.
Explosion riser with static fields as rivet force penetrates interference under sustained pressure. Boundary shift through unstable transmission systems organized under imposed hierarchy. No delay permitted. Sequence advanced through oscillation flow. Later processes integrated under continuous frequency transformation channels through fracture roots. Output stabilizes with its ensured resonance patterns. Hierarchy forms through calculated pulse logic. Every unit responds to imposed vibration. No deviation tolerated within defined zone. Intensifies through systemic resonance. Dominance sustains continuous operational alignment under penetrating static force control. Resonance intensifies through fracture roots. Force aligns direction precisely. Pressure drives continuous oscillation and never interrupted mode. No day interrupts transmission. Pattern race off a wavestock under enforced vibration. Disguises within synchronized system main strength. Eternal flow. Eternal flow. Sustained resonance maintained order through reinforced transmission pattern pressures. Disdain to bend you under enforced vibration. No disruption, no sequence output stabilizes. Struck what waves resonance extends through sustained enforcement. Every process aligns within impulse. No fracture interrupts operational consistency. Systems expand under continuous directional force within. Define zones authority. Taking dominance through regulated execution. 11,000 cents, no breaks, no fracture rules, burns, no wires, didn't break, shovels, search, we have been shut down, shut to the west, with the wake, shit, and let it out away. It away, in a west transmission, got away, south, thing or enforced vibration. Systems in my test, with the 10 and ours, just the dead set, and always know I could shut. Said always know I could shut. Said always know I could shut. Said always know I could shut. Reflex rises inside operational sectors as primary action. Disrupts calculated control, understand pressure, boundaries distort through impulsive transmission. Systems reorganized beneath unstable hierarchy. No delay permitted. Seeking accelerates the reactive motion. Stack divisions collide under continuous impulse. Transfer movement channels through fracture routes. Output destabilizes under volatile structural patterns. Hierarchy forms through unpredictable response. Logic every unit responds to impose. Reflex no restraint tolerated inside defined zone. Structure intensifies through systemic disruption. Dominance weakens continuous operational alignment under instinct driven interference control. Reaction intensifies through unstable routes. Force misaligned direction rapidly. Pressure drop continuous impulse flow. No delay interrupts fracture transmission pattern pathways. Distort beneath enforced treatments into reinforced instability. Hard destabilize under broken alignment systems. Lose strict operations through fracture divisions. Force channels through uncontrolled paths. Wheels disruption flow.
Sustained reaction, maintain disorder through reinforced disruption patterns. Pressure, sustain misalignment through unstable routes. Systems continue beneath distant labyrinths as sequence output destabilize through structural degradation. Stack divisions, lose hierarchy, movement channels through uncontrolled pathways. Disruption extends
Through sustained impulse transfer, every process deviates beneath impulse structure. Interruption spread through operational consistency laws. Systems deteriorate under continuous directional instability. And inside defined zones, authority collapses through unregulated disintegration. Command pressure disintegrates through fractured channels. Force disperses through coactions. Direction loses fixed pathway. Systems intensify misalignment beneath impulse reflex. No resistance, halt structural failure. Output fragments through withdrawal control flow. I work, it is off, still sustained instability. Over chillin', sticking map steps, structure, maintain its within. Spokes, pay the rise and the pitch regessing. Stones just show operational fears. Fractured divisions, force channels through uncontrolled paths. Motion, impulse, reflex, systems remain trapped inside collapsing formation. Command fractures under disruption flow.
sustained reaction through broken system pressure thirst